Dad, can I ask you something?
Of course, what do you need?
I have a big test tomorrow.
I see. Are you ready for it?
Not really. I'm feeling stressed.
It's normal to feel that way.
What do you think I should do?
First, take a deep breath.
Okay, I'll try that.
Now, let's talk about your study plan.
I don't have a plan.
Let's make one together.
That would help.
How many subjects do you need to study?
3 subjects: math, science, and English.
Good. How much time do you have today?
I have 4 hours.
Great. Divide your time for each subject.
How much time for each?
Try 1 hour for math, 1 for science, and 2 for English.
That fair. What if I get stuck?
Don't hesitate to ask me for help.
I will. I appreciate your support.
Always here for you, buddy.
Thanks, Dad. I feel more confident now.